Today we're making some amazing noodles full of veggies and nutritious and delicious and easy and fast recipe to eat. My son, who is 3 years old, always wants to eat this. So this is a perfect recipe if you have trouble with your kids not wanting to eat. Welcome, bienvenidos a mi casa, que es tu casa. This is a spicy Latina Mom, and every week I have a delicious recipe for you. And every Sunday I have healthy Mexican breakfast. So please subscribe to my channel so you can see all of my recipes. And I love this recipe because my 3-year-old, sometimes he doesn't want to eat nothing but quesadillas, but this, he loves it. And it has chicken and tons of veggies, so I'm sure that it's a complete plate that is going to be nutritious for him. So let's begin. I have over here some zucchini. Just cut the ends and chop it in little squares. We're gonna make the same with a carrot. Just make sure that it's chopped in a very small square so your kids won't be complaining about the sizes. And I have some celery. We call it apio. So the celery, we're also chopping it very, very thin. And over here, I have some pepper. You can use any color you like. And as much vegetables you can add to the recipe, the better. These are just suggestions of vegetables. You can add whatever vegetables you like. Finally, I have some garlic clove over here. Just finally chop it, and our veggies are ready for this recipe. And these are the rice noodles. You can find it at the supermarket, at the international section. You're gonna find it in the Chinese food. So I'm gonna put them in boiling water over here, and it's like kind of like the way you make pasta. Actually, it's a little different. It's just you have to hydrate them. They are cooked already. You just hydrate them in hot water. They don't have to boil. Just have the hot water over there and let them rest for about 10 minutes. I got some chicken breast over here. You can use fish, beef, whatever you prefer. I love it with also with surimi. It's a great option. I'm just cutting this chicken in little squares, and we're gonna put them all together with the veggies in a sec. I teach you how to cook healthy, so all I use to cook is water, and actually the protein, the animal protein, has some fat inside, so actually you cook with the same fat without adding anything else. But if you guys feel like you need a little bit of oil, olive oil or cooking spray, do it. I'm just adding garlic clove over here. There you go. I'm adding the chicken. That was 1 garlic clove, very well diced. And we're gonna begin to cook the chicken over here. I'm gonna sprinkle with some salt, about 2 pinches of salt, because we're gonna use soy sauce and that's pretty salty already, so we don't wanna add more. If you want, you can look for the low sodium soy sauce. I'm adding 2 pinches of pepper. There we go. And let's just let it cook over here. Your chicken is gonna take about 8 to 10 minutes to be ready. When you see that it's almost done, just add the vegetables. We don't want to overcook the vegetables. All these vegetables, you can actually eat them raw, so try not to overcook them because they lose some of the properties. So I'm just adding over here some of the nutrients of the vegetables. I'm adding over here and just stir to cook a little bit the veggies. So I continue stirring my vegetables with the chicken for about 2 minutes and got rid of the water in the rice noodles. Look, this is how the rice noodles look like. Delicious. So now we're gonna add all the vegetables and the chicken to this. Okay, I have my pan in very low temperature. I'm gonna add the soy sauce and I'm gonna stir well to get all the flavors together. And I'm gonna put the noodles over here and we're gonna top it with the veggies and the chicken. Doesn't it look so amazing? Yeah, I'm getting very hungry with this. Guys, I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumb up, and I see you next week with more delicious recipes. Actually, I see you on Sunday with an amazing, healthy Mexican breakfast. Adios, amigos.